Hey guys, welcome to Recipe Fever Vlogs. It's so tempting to have this snack right now, isn't it guys? So today, I'm gonna show you how to make a crispy and crunchy onion pakoda. Guys, you can make this onion pakoda so easily and perfectly with my recipe. So do watch the video fully to know the special trick that I use to make this recipe. Let's get started. For that, to a bowl, I will add 3 big size onions cut into thin and long slices, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, few chopped curry leaves, few chopped coriander leaves, 2 teaspoon lightly crushed fennel seeds, quarter teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon asafoetida powder, and finally let's add 1 cup of gram flour or the besan. Now let's mix all these ingredients well. Here is my important tip, that is, please don't add the water initially. The onions itself have enough moisture in it, so first we have to combine everything well with that moisture content. Guys, you can see that I have mixed it well. Now I will sprinkle and add just 2 tablespoons of water and mix everything well. Please make sure that you don't add more than 2 tablespoons of water. Else it will become runny and you will end up adding more flour again and again and it will spoil the texture of the pakoda. So please be careful guys. Guys, look at this. This is how the texture of the onion pakoda mixture should be. It shouldn't be runny and at the same time it should hold the shape. Now let's keep a kadai for heating and add enough oil to fry the onion pakoda. It's been a few minutes now and the oil has become hot enough. Let's drop the pakodas in small portions to the hot oil so that each pakoda cooks well. Please make sure to maintain a low to medium flame throughout the process. Now it's been a minute since the pakodas are frying. At this stage, I will toss and flip them to the other side and fry them. Similarly, let's flip and fry the onion pakoda until they turn to a light golden brown color. Oh wow! What a nice color! Isn't it guys? You can now see how beautifully the pakodas are cooked and also the bubbling of the oil has reduced. At this stage, let's drain the oil and transfer the pakodas to a plate. Similarly, let's fry the remaining batches. There you go, my hot filter coffee and the crispy onion pakoda is ready. Guys, this is a perfect recipe that you can make anytime at home with the simple ingredients that is available in your kitchen. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and press all to get instant notifications of my new recipes. Also, please hit the like button and share this video with your loved ones. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.